Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we got a Kenmore refrigerator made by LG. This refrigerator is cooling on and off, but if your refrigerator is not cooling at all, it's the same step that you're going to go through to figure out what is wrong with your fridge. If you want to know what's wrong with your appliances, you're at the right place. So today, this is a French door bottom freezer refrigerator, as I said before, Kenmore, LG. Either not cooling or it's cooling sometimes. So let me run you through some steps and tell you how to fix. So first thing you want to do is you want to pop the freezer open, check the temperature. If you don't have anything to check the temperature, just check your ice cream in your freezer. If your ice cream is soft, then that tells you that something is going on with your refrigerator. All right. So if you check the temperature inside the freezer and it's anything above 10 degrees, then you know something is wrong. In this one, the temperature is fine because, as I said, in this refrigerator, it works sometimes it doesn't work. Now, if you check the temperature inside the refrigerator and the temperature is anywhere above, like, let's say 51 degrees, then you know something is wrong. All right? So now we're going to pull the refrigerator out. I'm going to show you what to look for to point you in the right direction. All right? So at this point, you could either pull from the sides like this, or you could open the doors and pull it out. You could put Windex on your floors too, so you don't scratch the floors. And Windex also helps with the sliding out very easy of the fridge, all right? So we're gonna get back there, yank it out some more, get some space. At this point, you're gonna grab a Phillips screwdriver or a drill with a Phillips bit, all right? So we're gonna access the main computer board right now. So we're at the back of the fridge. We got 3 screws, all right? 3 screws, pop it out. And then I'm going to show you exactly what to look for so you know what's wrong with your fridge, or you have an idea, a perfect idea, okay? So once you pop the computer panel off, if you see that light, that green light flashing, that means that you have an insufficient compressor or you have a restriction in the system. So it's that simple. So at this point, you need the professionals to come in to get it fixed or to get it fully assessed. It's not something that, if you're not familiar with the area, that you'll be able to assess. So you have several companies that do the repairs on this, but if your fridge is under 10 years old, then I would call the manufacturer, because chances are the manufacturer has the compressor and the compressor is going to be covered in the warranty, and you're only going to be paying for the labor on this job. Now, the average labor for this job is going to run you anywhere from $500 to $1,000. Depends on who you call. If you call the manufacturer, it's going to be a little bit more cheaper, all right? So head to the manufacturer for this fridge if it's under 10 years old. If it's not under 10 years old, then, you make the decision if you want to fix it or not, because these fridges are not that cheap, all right? So that's it. Once that light is flashing, there's nothing else you need to know. You know that my compressor is either shot or I have a restriction. More than likely, it's a compressor. It's very common with this fridge. Now, if I helped you today, please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram. I have the part 2 coming out for this video. I'm going to be showing you how to do the repair. Now, if you decide to do the repair on your own, do it at your own risk. Peace out, your boy, Third Person Tech in the building. Thank you very much.